thanks for tuning into my Bollywood Body. मैं आपका host Sunny with Roman. On your day 3, you should be very sore. Thank you very much for supporting our channel. हमें काफ़ी questions इस बारे में लोग पूछते हैं कि यार, what's the difference between bodybuilding on a budget and your beginner series? The thing is, you can see in our beginner series we've used a lot of equipment, whereas इसके अंदर we're trying to keep it very minimal कि कम से कम हम equipment use करें ताकि आप ऐसे gyms में भी अगर जाते हैं जहाँ पे dumbbells and basic equipment है, you can actually use these kind of exercises. Number 1. Number 2 is, अगर आप हमारी beginner series देखें, that beginner series picks up speed very fast, whereas in this we're going really slow because mostly जो students हैं जो 10वीं में 11वीं में 12वीं में पढ़ते हैं, they're young, नन्हे फूल हैं, नन्हे फूल, so it's very slowly we gotta get into it. You gotta make sure, देखो जी हम 5 दिन की भी वीडियो बना सकते हैं, जी 5-day crazy ass workout, there is no point, it's just lying within your own profession. You gotta be completely honest. आप 5 दिन में बॉडी नहीं बना सकते, आप 25 दिन में भी बॉडी नहीं बना सकते, बट दीज वीडियोस 25-30 दिन जब आप उनको प्रॉपरली वर्कआउट करना शुरू करोगे, आहिस्ता आहिस्ता ग्रेजुअली अपने आप को बिल्ड करोगे, देन यू विल गेट एन आइडिया. अगर कोई बंदा है जो 1 साल से वर्कआउट कर रहा है, वो ऐसा वर्कआउट करेगा कहेगा इट्स अ वेस्ट ऑफ टाइम फॉर मी 110%. बट जो बंदा कभी जिम नहीं गया या जो यंग लड़के हैं जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते ट्रेनर, जो नए जिम जाना शुरू कर रहे हैं, वो हमें दुआएं देंगे. आई हैव अ गुड फीलिंग इन द लॉन्ग रन दैट अपार्ट्स ऑन अ सीरियस नोट. लुक एट हिज शूज. ये मिक्की माउस आगे नहीं लगता भाजी. मैं कहा वीडियो तो बाद से शूट करते हैं मुंडे. व्हाई यू मेक लाइक अ बेवा वाला फेस, यू नो व्हाट्स अ बेवा लाइक दैट. व्हाई लाइक लुक व्हाट्स दैट, व्हाट्स रॉन्ग. दे लाइक मिक्की माउस को एक उधर गया हुआ है, एक उधर गया हुआ है. अंकल जी जेता तुसी सुन रहे हैं ਇਹਦੇ ਬਾਪੂ ਜੀ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਟ੍ਰੇਲਰ ਭਰ ਕੇ ਜੁੱਤੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਦਿਓ.
I'm not the one wearing the same shirt in every video.
Does not matter bro, it's the shoes that matters. किसी ने देखा ਇਹਨੂੰ ਨਾ ਸ਼ਰਟ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਮਾਰੋ, ਲੋਕੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਜੁੱਤਾ ਲਾ ਕੇ ਮਾਰੋ. See that's why ਜੁੱਤਾ is important. ਸ਼ਰਟ ਲਾਏ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਨੰਗੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ, ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੇ ਫੋਟੋ ਖਿੱਚਣੀ ਹੈ, you go viral. Get the idea? Now let's get going. Your day 3 workout today, we're going to train you Kim Kardashian lata we got Kim Kardashian legs. We're going to do legs, calves and abs. I like it. Can you do it again? And let's get going after you're stretching. Simo, you're not supposed to laugh. You as a cameraman, you not laugh. You laugh, you mess up the whole video. We don't get the views. We go poor. Ready? Face in the mirror. First exercise we're doing is called squats. Actually, come here. As a beginner, don't even do squats here. I want you to find a bench, okay? Now when you find a bench, we start squatting. बैठ के जिसे आप कहते हैं. Leg is one of the biggest muscle of your body. So you got to make sure you do it right. अगर आप गलत करोगे आपकी injuries होने के chances सबसे ज़्यादा है. Number 1 and number 2, obviously since it's a bigger muscle, आपको खलियाँ जिसे onset soreness कहते हैं वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा होगी in the beginning. So let's start squatting. Find a bench, sit down. That's okay. Sit down on the bench. Now get back. 1. Do it again. And 2. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to push his knees back. See, his knees still move. Try to push backwards, so आपकी knees बिल्कुल भी ना move हो. Do it again. Here you go. असर तो नहीं होता लेकिन वही ना पढ़ने वाले बच्चे ने इनको कितना असर होना. Here you go. Nice and slow. So the reason of finding a bench and sitting on it and then getting up is it'll give you an idea of what you're doing rather than just squatting at one place and getting back up. This is very good. अगर मैं अपने जिम में भी किसी beginner को train कराता हूँ, I've trained hundreds and hundreds of people, in matter of fact, in some cases thousands. आप किसी भी हमारे client को कभी भी मिलें, you'll ask them कि यार सनी, I normally start everybody, आप जो मर्जी कर ले, squats में ऐसे ही start कराता हूँ on a day 1 because on a day 1 at a preliminary stage, at a starting stage, this is very good to know what you can do and how you can do और आप अपनी injury भी avoid कर सकते हो. That's how I want you to do a squat. तो आपके पास एक निशानी है. Sit down on a bench, get back up. You gotta make sure आपका जो घुटना है वो आपकी पैर की उंगलियों से आगे ना जाए. करें दोबारा. बैठ के खड़े हो गए. Whenever you get up, you gotta squeeze your butt ताकि आप जो है blood and oxygen अपने butt के अंदर भी rush कर सकें. ये आपकी पहली exercise है, basic squats. Now for the second exercise, we're gonna move on to lunges. Even lunges में भी we're doing assisted lunges. I want you to hold. ये इसे upright कहते हैं. ये कोई pole को डंडा पकड़ लिया. Now keep one leg out. Yes. Out. We're gonna do a lunge, bro. Okay, more out here. So now okay, start doing a lunge. So when you're doing a lunge, you gotta make sure you जो आपका घुटना है आगे ना. Here you go. See, this is it. Keep your chest out. The reason मैं चाहता हूँ आप किसी चीज को hold करो is so you don't lose the balance. As a beginner, आप जब ये चीजें करना शुरू करोगे, देखने में बड़ा आसान है. अगर आप 6 महीने से वर्कआउट करें, आप कहोगे यार ये तो बच्चों वाली हरकत है. As a beginner, as a starter, as a 10वीं, 11वीं, 12वीं के student, this is amazing for you. Nice and slow. आपका घुटना जो है वो आपकी पैर की उंगलियों से आगे ना जाए, आपका घुटना अंदर भी ना जाए, आपका घुटना बाहर भी ना जाए. Your घुटना should stay straight. and that's it. And then we switch on to the second leg. That'll be your second exercise called assisted lunges. आप एक एक टांग को concentrate करते हो. Whereas when you're doing squats, you mostly hit अपना जो टांग का front का हिस्सा है जिसे quad कहते हैं, इसके अंदर you actually hit back of your leg as well, जिसे आप hamstrings कहते हैं. Now we're going to move on to your third exercise, Ajay Roman. Now what we're doing is called squat jumps. So stand a little wider than shoulder width apart. पैर जो है सीधे रखें, थोड़े अंदर कर लें पैर. Okay, now I want you to squat low and jump up. 1, do it again, beauty. 2, so squat down, जितना आप कर सकते हैं, jump up and land again on the quad. So doesn't see Norman goes really deep. He's been training for 4-5 महीने, लेकिन अगर आप बिल्कुल नहीं हैं, आप इधर से बेशक मोड़ जाओ. That's it. I'm okay with that. As long as जो tension है वो आपके पट्टों पे रहे, आपके घुटनों के ऊपर ना जाए. That's going to be your third exercise in this workout. It's called basic squat jumps. That's it, Roman. Move up. Now we're doing an exercise called static squat. That's a finisher for your third day leg workout. So I want you to sit down in a squat position. Come down, down. That's it. Stay right here. So you come in a, जैसे आपने के मास्टर जी ने आपको मुर्गा बहुत बनाया होगा स्कूल के अंदर जब आप शैतानी करते होगे. That's exactly. So मास्टर जी को दुआएं दो अगर आपके पट्टों में जाना है. So how you do a static squat? You come into a squat position, try to find a perfect sweet spot, 90 degrees, butt tight, quads tight, hamstrings tight, chest out, breathe, breathe, breathe. That's it. That's your exercise. This is it. You stay there for about 60 seconds. Get up. That's your one set. That's how you build up to 4 or 5 sets. So that's your last exercise for your legs. Easy, no machines required. Now we're going to move on to your pinnia, which is this part, which are also known as your calves. Let's go, Roman. So for the calves, we're actually going to use a machine. This is a very common machine that can be found in any gym. For example, अगर आपके पास gym में machine नहीं है, पहले मैं आपको machine को दिखा देता हूँ. If you can't do it, find a machine in the gym, then I'll tell you what to do without a machine. Let's go. So आपका पैर जो है वो पंजा जो है वो उसके ऊपर है. 75% foot जो है वो नंगा है. You can see it. It's not on the machine. Come down, Roman. Down, stretch. Come up, and you squeeze. You go up. You can see your calves का मसला है वो contract होता है. Down and up. Squeeze. When you go up, you got to squeeze. Even as a beginner, you got to squeeze. 1, 2, 3, then down. So try करें कि muscle को tension में ज़्यादा दे रखें. See, muscle को tension में रखें 1-2 सेकंड के लिए. ऊपर जाएं. अब तेज करो Roman sir. Go faster. So don't do this. There's no point doing this. You go up and you got to pause. Go up, pause, and then down, up. And pause. Beautiful. This is called standing calf raises. You can do this, for an example, अगर आपके पास machine है. अगर आपके पास machine नहीं है, किसी भी bench वगैरह के ऊपर कोने पे खड़े होके आप you can do it without a machine as well. But this is a very common machine. हर दूसरे gym में आपको ये machine मिल जाएगी. This is called standing calf raises. Now we're going to finish off our workout with a little bit of your core workout, which is your abs. Abs, you won't be able to build it in 10 days or 25 days. Same as calves and legs. But the whole idea शुरू के अंदर पहले 3-4 दिन बड़े इंपॉर्टेंट है कि अपनी पूरी बॉडी को वर्कआउट्स के बीच में से गुजारें. फिर आहिस्ता आहिस्ता when you get into the later part of the series, you'll see how your body progresses. Now we're going to do the first exercise. It's called planks. Numan, I want you to become a plank. भाई चित्तड़ ना दिखाओ कुड़ी नूं बादे मुड़ जाओ. Student, dumb student. मुंडे पैदा करना ट्रक ट्रुक चला कर. Okay, beauty. So when you become a plank, your shoulders and elbows got to be aligned. Neck is completely straight. Pair band kar raha hu. Pair are aligned. So what is plank? Plank is a very basic exercise. Yet if it's done right, it gives a nasty blow to your core. So what your core is basically your stomach and the back of this belt is called your core. And as a beginner, I highly recommend doing the plank. You come into this position, you squeeze your butt and try to cough. When you cough, आप वही muscle use करते हो जो कि आपके abs के हैं. अगर लेकिन आपको उससे भी समझ नहीं आती, so what I do is अपने किसी यार मित्र दोस्त को आपको push करे. So your job is to resist. When you resist, automatically आपका जो पेट के muscle है वो engage हो जाएंगे. So Roman, resist against me. Yes. So when I push you, you should not be able to move. If you're moving, that means you're not resisting. So resist using your stomach. Push. Here, see, automatically you'll see Roman start to shake. So that means he's using the right muscles. That's it. That's your first exercise. You're going to do about 4 sets of 30 seconds with about 30-second breaks of your planks. Watch up. Let me move the mat up a little bit. And now we're going to finish off. Roman, come this way. Head here, legs there. Okay. Now we're going to do the last exercise of the day. It's called reverse crunches. Keep your neck down, hands. आपके जो पैर हैं, हाथ जो है वो आप अपने butt के नीचे रख लो या sides पे रख लो. Doesn't matter. Legs closed. Bring your घुटने in. Nice and slow. Pause. All the way out. Pause. Beauty. जब भी आपने टांगे बाहर लेके जानी है, I want you to breathe out. Good job. अगर आपके एक साथ कोई partner है, you tell them to touch your stomach. You'll get an idea if you're using the right muscles or not. Do it. Beauty. And breathe out. Inhale through nose and exhale through mouth. Do it. Inhale through nose and exhale through mouth. Do it again. Inhale through nose and exhale through boom, mouth. So this would give you about 40 से 45 मिनट into your third day of bodybuilding on budget. हमें YouTube पे सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलें. My Bollywood Body, follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. अगर आपको हमारी वीडियोस अच्छी नहीं लगती, hit the unsubscribe button. No, actually, there is no unsubscribe button. You have to hit the subscribe button twice to unsubscribe.